Welcome to Health 2660. Here we don't just talk about health, we tell the stories that heal. Now please listen to the story. Mr. Richard, a sprightly 69 years of age, found himself increasingly confined by the insidious creep of age. It wasn't the number itself that bothered him. It was the tangible limitations it imposed. His knees, once reliable servants, carrying him through countless hikes and adventures, now protested with every step. Weakness had taken root in his legs, transforming the simple act of climbing stairs into a monumental challenge. Each morning began with a symphony of creaks and groans as his stiff legs begrudgingly yielded to his will. The once effortless movements of his youth were replaced by a cautious, deliberate gait, a constant reminder of his body's decline. He remembered a time when he could bound up the stairs two at a time when his knees felt like well-oiled hinges, a time when his legs were pillars of strength. Now, he approached each step with trepidation, his hands gripping the banister for dear life. The stiffness in the mornings was particularly disheartening. It felt like his legs had been encased in concrete overnight, requiring a considerable effort to break free and regain some semblance of mobility. Richard's primary care physician, Dr. Emily Carter, a woman known for her thoroughness and empathetic demeanor, delivered the diagnosis with a gentle but firm tone. Richard, she began the tests, confirm what we suspected. You're experiencing a significant decline in your natural collagen production. It's quite common after the age of 65. Collagen, Dr. Carter explained, was the scaffolding of the body, the protein responsible for maintaining the integrity of joint skin and connective tissues. As we age, our bodies produce less and less of it, leading to a cascade of age-related ailments, including joint pain wrinkles and decreased mobility. Richard, ever the proactive patient, had already embarked on a quest to replenish his dwindling collagen reserves. He diligently consumed a variety of supplements, collagen powders promising miraculous rejuvenation, and an assortment of joint support pills touted by late-night infomercials. He'd even tried some exotic concoctions recommended by well-meaning friends, each promising to be the magic bullet that would restore his youthful vigor. But alas, his efforts yielded only marginal fleeting improvements. The knee pain persisted, the leg weakness remained, and the morning stiffness continued its unwelcome ritual. He returned to Dr. Carter, his hope waning. "I've tried everything, Doc," he confessed, a hint of resignation in his voice. "Nothing seems to be working." Dr. Carter listened patiently, her gaze unwavering. "Richard, you're doing the right thing by trying to supplement collagen," she reassured him. "However, collagen itself is only one part of the equation. Think of it like building a house. You can have all the bricks you want, but if you don't have cement, the house won't stand. Your body needs the essential building blocks, the raw materials to effectively rebuild collagen. Simply adding more collagen isn't always enough." She elaborated that the body requires specific amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to synthesize collagen. Without these crucial components, the ingested collagen is often broken down and utilized for other metabolic processes, failing to reach the intended target: the joints, skin, and connective tissues. Richard, a retired architect, found the analogy particularly apt. He understood the importance of having the right materials and a solid foundation for any structure. He'd spent his career meticulously planning and overseeing construction projects, ensuring that every detail was accounted for. Now, it seemed his own body was in need of a similar meticulous approach. Over the next few months, Richard continued his search for a solution poring over scientific articles, consulting with nutritionists, and experimenting with various dietary regimens. He felt like a detective piecing together clues in a complex biochemical puzzle. He learned about the role of vitamin C in collagen synthesis, the importance of proline and glycine, and the antioxidant properties of various plant compounds. Yet, despite his best efforts, the breakthrough he sought remained elusive. Then one afternoon, while attending a senior center workshop on healthy aging, Richard met a holistic health practitioner named Sarah. Sarah, with her radiant skin and boundless energy, seemed to defy the aging process. She spoke passionately about the power of plant-based nutrition to heal and rejuvenate the body. Intrigued, Richard approached Sarah after the workshop. He explained his predicament, detailing his struggles with knee pain, leg weakness, and his unsuccessful attempts to boost collagen production. Sarah listened intently, her eyes twinkling with understanding. "Richard," she said, "I believe I can help you. The key is not just to supplement collagen, but to reactivate your body's natural collagen production. And the best way to do that is through a targeted plant-based nutrition plan." Sarah explained that certain foods contain specific nutrients that stimulate collagen synthesis, protect existing collagen fibers, and provide the essential building blocks for new collagen formation. She emphasized that this approach was not a quick fix, but a long-term strategy that required commitment and consistency. Richard, initially skeptical, found himself drawn to Sarah's knowledge and her genuine enthusiasm. He decided to give her approach a try. "I've tried everything else," he reasoned. "What do I have to lose?" Sarah then introduced Richard to a carefully curated list of 8 key foods, each selected for its unique collagen-boosting properties. She explained the science behind each recommendation, patiently answering Richard's numerous questions. The first food Sarah began is pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with zinc and magnesium, 2 minerals that are essential for the enzymes involved in collagen synthesis. Zinc acts as a cofactor for lysyl oxidase, an enzyme that cross-links collagen fibers, strengthening them and improving their elasticity. Magnesium plays a similar role, supporting the activity of prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase enzymes that are crucial for collagen formation. Richard nodded, taking meticulous notes. He'd always enjoyed pumpkin seeds, but he'd never realized their potential health benefits. Next, Sarah continued, "We have spirulina. This blue-green algae is a nutritional superstar, rich in glycine proline and powerful antioxidants. Glycine and proline are 2 of the most abundant amino acids in collagen, making spirulina an excellent source of these building blocks. The antioxidants in spirulina help protect collagen fibers from damage caused by free radicals, preventing premature breakdown." Richard made a mental note to add spirulina to his smoothie. He'd heard about its health benefits, but he hadn't considered its role in collagen production. "Chia seeds are another important addition to your diet," Sarah said. "They're a fantastic source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and complete essential amino acids. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which can contribute to collagen breakdown. The essential amino acids provide the raw materials your body needs to synthesize collagen." Richard had been incorporating chia seeds into his oatmeal for years, but he now understood their significance in a new light. Soybeans, Sarah declared, are a unique source of isoflavones, plant compounds that have been shown to activate collagen-producing genes. Isoflavones bind to estrogen receptors in the body, stimulating the production of collagen and other beneficial proteins. Richard, a bit hesitant about soybeans due to conflicting information he'd read, expressed his concerns. Sarah addressed his skepticism with scientific evidence, explaining that moderate consumption of whole soy foods is generally safe and beneficial for most people. Sweet potatoes, Sarah continued, are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in nourishing fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen, and elastin in the skin and connective tissues. Vitamin A also helps protect collagen fibers from UV damage. Richard smiled. He loved sweet potatoes and often roasted them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Kiwi, Sarah announced, is a vitamin C powerhouse, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. But kiwi has an added bonus. It contains actinidin, an enzyme that enhances amino acid absorption, making it easier for your body to utilize the building blocks of collagen. Richard, a fan of the tangy sweet fruit, was delighted to learn about its collagen-boosting properties. Sunflower seeds, Sarah said, are rich in vitamin E and selenium, two powerful antioxidants that protect collagen fibers from damage. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, preventing them from breaking down collagen, while selenium supports the activity of antioxidant enzymes that further protect collagen. Richard added sunflower seeds to his list of must-have snacks. Finally, Sarah concluded, we have sea buckthorn berries. These little berries are an absolute treasure trove of nutrients extremely high in vitamin C and omega-3, 6, 7, 9 fatty acids. Sea buckthorn is like a complete collagen rebuilding kit, providing everything your body needs to synthesize new collagen at the cellular level. Richard, intrigued by the exotic-sounding berries, made a note to research where he could find them. Sarah emphasized that consistency was key. She advised Richard to incorporate these 8 foods into his daily diet, making them a regular part of his meals and snacks. She also recommended drinking plenty of water, getting regular exercise, and managing stress levels to further support collagen production. Richard embraced Sarah's plant-based nutrition plan with newfound enthusiasm. He diligently incorporated the 8 key foods into his daily routine, experimenting with recipes and finding creative ways to enjoy them. He started his day with a smoothie containing spirulina, chia seeds, and kiwi. He snacked on pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds throughout the day. He roasted sweet potatoes for dinner and added soybeans to his stir-fries. He even managed to find a local supplier of sea buckthorn berries, adding them to his yogurt and oatmeal. He also made a conscious effort to drink more water, aiming for at least 8 glasses a day. He resumed his daily walks, starting with short, gentle strolls and gradually increasing the distance and intensity. He practiced deep breathing exercises and meditation to manage stress. Slowly, but surely, Richard began to notice a difference. After about 12 weeks of consistent adherence to Sarah's plan, he experienced a significant improvement in his joint health and overall well-being. The stiffness in his knees began to subside, making it easier to move and climb stairs. The cracking sounds he'd grown accustomed to hearing when standing up gradually disappeared. His skin appeared brighter and more hydrated, and wounds seemed to heal faster. But the most remarkable change was in his legs. They felt stronger, more resilient, and more responsive. He could climb stairs with greater ease and confidence. He could walk longer distances without experiencing pain or fatigue. He felt like he had regained the legs of his 50s. Overjoyed with the results, Richard returned to Dr. Carter for a follow-up appointment. Dr. Carter, after examining Richard and reviewing his progress, was amazed. "Richard," she exclaimed, "your knee pain has significantly decreased, your leg strength has improved, and your overall mobility is remarkable. Whatever you're doing, keep it up." Richard shared his plant-based nutrition plan with Dr. Carter, explaining the role of each of the 8 key foods. Dr. Carter, impressed by the scientific evidence and Richard's tangible results, encouraged him to continue his regimen. Richard became an enthusiastic advocate for plant-based nutrition, sharing his story with friends, family, and fellow senior center attendees. He organized workshops and cooking demonstrations, teaching others how to incorporate the 8 key foods into their diets. "I never imagined," Richard often said, "that simple foods from my kitchen could save my legs. No expensive pills, no fancy collagen powders, just giving my body the right building blocks to heal itself." Richard's story became a testament to the power of plant-based nutrition and the body's remarkable ability to heal itself when given the right tools. He continued to thrive, enjoying an active, fulfilling life, free from the limitations of knee pain and leg weakness. He hiked, he danced, he traveled, and he inspired countless others to embrace a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. And as he strolled through the park one sunny afternoon, his legs carrying him effortlessly along the winding paths, Richard couldn't help but smile. He was grateful for the wisdom of Sarah, the support of Dr. Carter, and the power of those 8 remarkable foods that had given him back his legs, and so much more. Health 2660. Thanks you for listening. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, be kind to yourself.